In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find the most recent linked value in Airtable. If you work with linked records, you've probably wondered which related item is the latest. We'll set up a simple, reliable way to surface the most recent date from your linked record so you can make faster decisions and keep your views up to date. First, make sure the table you're linking to already contains a proper date field. This could be a standard date field that your team maintains, a created time field that stamps when the record was added, or a last modified time field that updates whenever something changes. What matters is that it's a true date type field, not the text. If that date is blank on some linked records, those won't be considered in the result, so it's a good idea to confirm the date is filled where needed. Now head to your main table where the linked records live and add a new field. Choose the Rollup field type. A Rollup looks at all the records connected through your linked record field and aggregates a specific field from those records using a formula. Give your new field a clear name so you can recognize it later, like latest linked date. In the Rollup configuration, select your linked record field. This is the connection to the other table. Then choose the date field from that linked table that you want to evaluate, such as created date or updated at. Next, use the Rollup formula Emax values. This tells Airtable to find the single greatest date among all the linked records, which effectively means the most recent one. The formula is straightforward and doesn't require anything else. Max on dates returns the newest date. Save the field and you'll immediately see the result populate. For each row in your main table, the Rollup will display the most recent date across its linked records. As new records are linked or existing ones are updated, this value refreshes automatically, so you always have the latest snapshot without manual checks. If the field appears empty, it usually means there are no linked records yet, or the linked records don't have a date in that selected field. If you see an unexpected value, double check that you picked the correct date field and that it's truly a date type. Depending on your workflow, choosing created time emphasizes when something was added, while last modified time highlights the most recent change. That's all you need to quickly surface the latest linked value in Airtable. It's simple, clean, and keeps your data actionable.